Hi, I'm Rebecca Warnick. I'm a CPA specializing in party and event rental companies, and I've been serving the industry for over 10 years. This is video number 4 of our 5-part series, 5 tax tips every event rental business owner should know. Be sure to stick around to the end of this video so that you can get these money-saving tax deductions, reduce your tax liability, and maximize what you're doing with your business. All right, let's dive into tip number 4. Deduct mixed expenses. Okay, what's a mixed expense? A mixed expense is going to be something that you're using for both personal and for business. Okay, so let's go example 1, cell phone. You've got one cell phone, right? You're the business owner. You're getting calls nonstop on your personal cell phone. Your team's calling. Depending on the size of your event rental company, your clients may be calling your cell phone. We can deduct that. You may have historically, if you're a new startup, or maybe if you've never had this advice before, you've been paying for your cell phone with your personal finances. That's a mixed expense. If, let's say, for example, you are a busy business owner and 90% of your calls are to your cell phone for your business, let's write that off. Bust out that business credit card and debit card that we talked about in video number 1 and make sure that that bill is being paid with your business credit card so that you're getting the deduction. Now, let's talk about scenario number 2. You're just starting up your business. 10%, 20% of your calls are for the business and the rest of them are personal. Okay, it would be a stretch to write off your whole cell phone bill in that scenario because the use of that phone is very little, a lower percentage of business use. So we take that cell phone bill, let's call it $100 a month for easy math. We're going to take a 20% deduction on that. So we're going to take that $100 times it by 20%, $20 deduction per month that we're writing off through the business. This translates to all the mixed expenses. So if maybe you're operating your business from home, or like in video number 3, you are fielding questions and dealing with things at home. Let's talk about internet. You're using these cool rental software platforms for your business. You need to access those. They're all web-based, right? You need to access that via the internet. Let's write off some of the internet that you have at your home. There's a lot of expenses like that. Auto is another one that can be business and personal mixed. That's a little bit more complicated as far as mileage and things like that. But we want to make sure that everything that's kind of a mixed expense that you're using for business and personal, we're picking up at least a percentage of that on your business. This is the same as video number 1. It's all about good record keeping, right? If I don't see it running through your books, if I don't see it on your financial statements, on your profit and loss as an expense, I might not know that you have a mixed expense. So we've got to make sure that we're busting out that credit card, informing your accountant, your CPA, letting them know about what expenses that you have that are mixed. So rack your brain, spend a few minutes sitting down, maybe look at your credit cards for your personal and your bank account and look at those reoccurring payments that you're making that are for mixed expenses. Let's make sure and deduct those on your business. All right. So tip number 4, deduct mixed expenses. We have videos of 1 through 3. Go watch those if you haven't seen them, and stay tuned for video number 5 for more money-saving taxes, deductions, tips to help you save. Look, the whole goal of this video series, we want to keep that money in your pocket. We don't want to give it to Uncle Sam or anybody else. Let's pay the least amount in taxes so that you can put that into your family's pocket or drive it back in the business to foster growth. All right, guys. So excited to help you out with tips. Like, subscribe, comment. Let us know if you have any thoughts. Engage with us and watch for video number 5 and watch 1 through 3 if you haven't watched those. All right, stay tuned, guys. We'll talk to you soon.